Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2013 Suzuki sx4 in a hatchback, and in this video I'll show you how to take out your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing you want to do is you want to pop the hood. On the left here, get the latch, open the hood, find the stand. In this car the stand is bent, but it works fine. So here we go. In order to get the bulb out, there's a little trick here. As you can see, there is this white piece right here, the housing. You just spin it. Hope you guys saw it. I'm gonna do it again. So you have this housing, just spin it, and then you're able to pull out the bulb from the headlight assembly, from the headlight itself. Right now the bulb is very hot since the car was working. I was driving here, and well, to get the bulb out, you just take it with your fingers and pull it out. Pull it out, put it back in. Get when you have the new bulb. You can get bulb in any parts store or buy it online. Just type in whatever car you have in Google or eBay. I mean Amazon, eBay, whatever parts store, and they will send you the bulb you need. So then you just, I'll show you from here. When you have a replacement bulb, same way, put it back in and secure it with this white housing bracket. Okay, so that's it. Once you have it, it should be nice and sturdy and solid. Okay, same thing is with the passenger side. Okay, so the bulb's right there, and the turn signal right here. If you need to get to it, same way, through this hole. Just let's see, like, just spin it and pull it out and put it back in. Same way here, right there. Okay, very simple. Everyone can do this, so just give it a try. If this video helps, please press like button. Have a great day, guys. Hope this helps. Bye bye.